Greetings traders. Today is the 30th of June 2020. We're now live the trading for for mini S&P futures 500. So at this moment we did receive two signal. The first one is to short sell, but unfortunately not triggered. But we are going for the second signal, which is to go long. And this moment we are in the position on the micro account with 4 lots position size and targeted TP at this yellow line, which is the TP targeted area. So I've recorded this trade a bit late. I was stuck in this crude oil. Okay, so let's wait and see. So since the entry, the market a bit fluctuated a bit on the negative side, but now try to go for the TP targeted price level. So where's the price? Alright, okay, so our target is 3056.25, and at the moment it might go towards the direction. So this will be a quick trading perhaps, and based from live Telegram channel. Okay, let's wait first. Market might hit any moment from now. So not much, only 4 lots micro today. Okay, I'm not intended to trade with the mini account because it seems like the market are very volatile, so I just go with the micro. Every time I saw the market is have a big move, I will try to minimize the risk by using a micro account. So we are now profit not much, for $80. Okay, keep increasing. Yeah, so 85. So while waiting, and let's go take a look on our signal from my live Telegram channel. So from my live Telegram channel, this is the revised signal. So based from revised signal, order already been filled. Targeted TP at 3056, the one with the yellow line just now I mentioned to you guys. Okay, so stop loss is 3041. So at this moment we are in the positive side, and hopefully the price will remain high. Okay, so let's go back to the chart to see whether the order already been exit. Okay, alright, so that's it. So while waiting, hope you guys can see the entry over here. So I have 4 lots positions. So now it seems like the market make a pullback, so market might remain high, and there's I think this one is support line, sorry, resistance line. I'm not sure resistance or support, so let's check. This is a resistance line which is at 3070. So there's a high probability market will go to that direction, but as for now I will just remain to go long and have a quick TP of 56, or maybe perhaps 57 should be a good one. So 57, let's take a look. Yeah, 57.75 will be a good one. So I try to increase since we already waiting. Okay, wait, 30.56.25. Let's increase a bit for the TP targeted price level. I will take 57, should be a good one, hopefully. Alright, it's not advisable for the traders to follow, but because 56 is a good exit for this position, I just want to take further risk. Hopefully it worth it, and so let's wait and see. Hopefully the price will remain high and not reversing back further down. So it was a good profit just now, so let's hope it will not go consolidate on the sideways move, hopefully. Because I don't want the price to keep dropping, and now dropping. Okay, So let's wait. Okay, now I try to go further up. Just need to be careful. I need to protect as much profit as possible. Current situation plus 30 plus 25. Keep dropping plus 20. Not sure what happens, but we have another 6 minutes under time frame, 10 minutes before the new candle appeared. Okay, doesn't look good. Crude oil as well, still searching for entry. This one for mini S&P. Okay. I didn't manage to close. The highest just now is 95. I just look at it and now the price reversed back down. Typical AS market. So we'll pause for a while and resume later on. Alright, seems like the price reaching out. The best to exit, or not too sure, maybe I can exit half of the position. Should be a good one. No need to be greedy because okay, now the price reverses back. Okay, there's a high volume waiting on the higher side. I think I will exit 2 position first. 52. Now price keep dropping. Doesn't look good. I think that's it, we miss it. Should scalp a lot of now the price back to 30, I guess. So I think better go flat first and re-enter again. Yeah, I'll go flat first and try to re-enter again. Maybe much more lower than 50, and using 4 position size, or wait at the breakout also can. 30. Why suddenly the market up? Already exit my position. Luckily I trade only micro today, so normally I will trade using mini. Okay, just put it there. That means we are going to buy higher high, and I think not much because 55, the exit is around 57 or 56, but I hope the price drop first and then go another one more round to the high. Then we have more chance to join in the party. Okay, looks like there's an entry over here. Yeah, one tick lower. Okay, if the price fall back below 50, then I have more chance to re-enter the market. Maybe 2 lot position size would be good enough, because that's the previous entry from my live Telegram channel, which is buy at 30.50, target at 56, stop loss at 41. So there's a high chance the market will pull back, and then we can re-enter again. High chance, but not every day. I mean, not every day the price will have same like indication or same like situation like this. I consider this one as a lucky situation. So we'll pause for a while. I need to send out signal for crude oil. Hot traders resume back, and so it seems like the price did make a spike. It was a good one. I think we can go flat. We hit the TP targeted area. Yeah, perfect. We hit. So for the Telegram channel, I need to send out the signal. Okay, so where is it? Okay. Oh, so not crude oil. I mean the ES. Sorry, got confused. Okay. Hit TP. Oh yeah. Profit of how many points we have? 6 points, which means about 24 ticks. 1 point about for $50 for if you are trading normal standard account, $5 for micro account. So that's it. This is live. Everything's live. Hope you guys are interested. If you are interested, then get the link below in the description. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.